Hey guys, Joel Atkinson again here, teaching you some bat path drills today. Let's start with the drop knee drill. What I find, especially for a lot of players that struggle with their path, staying inside the ball in their backswing and staying on path and through the baseball, is honestly most of the time it has to do with their lack of the way they use their lower half. However, if we can get the feeling down of what the upper half's going to do without the legs kind of screwing that up, so to speak, then why not? So I like to use this drop knee drill to develop the proper path and movements from the upper half going through the baseball, through the hitting area. And again, I like to work on this in terms of staying on the ball towards where I'm trying to hit it as well. So I'll usually go right field, center, then left, and just repositioning the tee and again off the alignment of my front leg. You may have to, with younger kids, use a smaller bat for this. For instance, if you swing like a drop 5 and you're a kid, you may have to swing a drop 8.5 or a drop 11, something smaller, so you can manipulate and take on the weight of the bat. As you're more advanced and stronger, you can use your normal bat for this drill. And again, all you're doing is dropping your back leg down, starting your hands in your normal position, making sure you create some momentum or feel a slight hand load or a barrel setting, if you will. And then from there, just making sure that you feel your back elbow drop in what I call or refer to as the slot, and the barrel of the bat staying next to the shoulder. And now the front elbow, usually during this, depending on how steep you have to work on the ball's angle, the front side will tend to elevate, back side will tend to scoop underneath. Again, during this, in an ideal world, we want both arms to stay connected, nice bent positions so they're not elongated and weaker. You'll find that some hitters can still achieve this motion with the locked out front side, but let's be worried about that if they're not aware of it or how to control that movement. Again, just nice and easy, feel the back side, then finish through with the top hand. And on this one, especially when I see top hand guys that roll over or front shoulders coming off, I tend to tell them, keep the shoulders tilted longer and keep your top hand on the ball. So especially in a drill like this one, I like to release the top hand towards where I'm trying to hit the ball. In this case, right field on this rep. Again, just staying closed, just feeling my bat path come through and what it's like to keep the bat on a consistent angle and a consistent speed, accelerating through contact. Again, adjust the angle, but again, work on that same concept of the elbow crashing in early, the backswing being tight, but getting on the ball's path early, and then staying on it long as you follow through. All right, give it a try again. It's the drop knee drill.